this is Maisha, Plentiful Hair Studio. I was making this video to introduce you to one of my beautiful wigs. One of the biggest misconceptions about me and almost most brown girls who are in the hair replacement industry is that we make our wigs. Now, it's nothing wrong with making wigs. I make wigs. I can, I do, I have, and I will. For the most part, the wigs that I do offer and sell are not hand sewn by me. We have our own line here at Plentiful Hair Studio, and I also have wigs from other companies. But I want to introduce you to one of my wigs, and the reason I wanted to introduce you to her because she's a little bit different. Okay, this is Sydney. Sydney is super cute, but Sydney has a silk top. Silk tops last a long time. They give you a lot of volume in the crown, and a lot of lace tops do as well, but a lot of people prefer silk top. But I wanted to show you something. So Sydney is the only unit on my site that comes with an illusion band, and I wanted to show you the illusion band on this video. Okay, this is Miss Sydney with her illusion band on. The band is pretty much like a wig grip with a lace front, and it's really made to help you so you can transition to wearing the lace, the silk, back and forth depending on the style that you want to go for. So this is how it looks in the front, and so you can remove it, of course, and after you purchase or whatever, you know, of course, with everything else, it could be customized. So this is how it looks when you pull it back versus the normal type of silk top where you can't necessarily pull it back. So you can pull it up and wear it in cute little updos. You can pull it a little bit. You can wear it in different styles. It looks really, really cute. Like I said, you can customize it, both sides. So the illusion band goes ear to ear, and it allows you to pull the hair up and back depending on the style that you want. So this Sydney is the only wig that I have on my site that comes with the illusion band. Normally the illusion band is separate and a separate cost, but I didn't want anybody to miss out on having the two versions of Sydney. I think she's beautiful, and I think both ways look so cute. I would hate for somebody to have to choose, so the band is included with Miss Sydney. So let me show you. Let me remove the unit. Okay, so this is the band. It's lace ear to ear, and you can just take it off. Like I said, you can pull it back and allow yourself to have different hairstyles versus the normal silk top. So it's like the best of both worlds. It's an easy way to transition and try both. And you never know, you might decide that after trying the illusion band that you prefer having a lace top, or it depends. So you can play with it. And Sydney has a 4x4 silk top on the top, and she's wefted back. It's European hair. She is absolutely adorable. And so this video was to show you the illusion band. Okay, Sydney. This is Sydney in a different lighting. I'll show you how pretty she is. Now this is Sydney with the illusion band attached. Okay, this is Sydney without the illusion band. And either way, she's beautiful either way. Miss Sydney, if you have any more questions, please feel free to send me a message or email me at info@plentifulhairstudio.com. Thank you so much for watching my video, and have an amazing day.